Imagine diving into the world of hydroponic gardening, where you can grow plants without soil. It's an innovative method gaining traction, and starting a hydroponic supply store could be your ticket into this green revolution. The first step to understanding hydroponics is through educational resources. Books like Hydroponics, A Guide to Hydroponic Gardening for Beginners, offer a great starting point, covering everything from nutrient solutions to different hydroponic systems. For a more technical dive, the Hydroponic Nutrient Solution Handbook provides detailed insights into managing the lifeblood of hydroponic systems, the nutrient solutions. This book is essential for anyone serious about maintaining optimal plant health. Podcasts can also be a fantastic way to absorb information on the go. The Hydroponic Podcast and Hydroponics Talk discuss the latest trends and techniques, offering advice from seasoned experts in the field. YouTube serves as an excellent visual learning tool. Videos like How to Build a Hydroponic Garden from DIY HSH make it easy to follow along with step-by-step guides on setting up your own systems at home. If you're considering a deeper educational commitment, online courses can provide structured learning. The Hydroponic Certification Program covers extensive topics to equip you with the knowledge to run a successful hydroponic supply store. Don't forget the importance of an online presence. Websites such as Hydroponics Talk and Green Thumb Gardens offer a wealth of information, including tutorials, forums, and direct links to supplies. Perfect for both beginners and advanced gardeners. By harnessing these resources, you can carve out a niche in the hydroponic market. From reading and listening to hands-on learning, the journey to launching a hydroponic supply store is rich with opportunities for growth and innovation.